Hello everyone, my name is Sonia Torres and today we are here to carry out this short interview about a small experience in our work environment held at to be buried for this my partner Nicole. It's we need. Hello Nicole, how are you and welcome.
Hello, Sonia. Hello, every time for you. This opportunity to be here and me share a certain experiences can impact us to be river, for example. You does in Sonia on.
I am secretary and I have worked in this for 4 years.
Really, our company to the all for on.
I work with the Ministry of Defense. It's a job work, but it's offers you many job opportunities, as well as a wide field of knowledge. What do you for a living, Nicole?
I am psychology and the all for family undergrad in this equality demanding job but it's important to you for the children the country.
That's great, Nicole. And this as psychology, it's complex, since it is not to understand and guide people. Without a lot this that we all is important since children are the future of the country and the world and it must enforce the rights.
Will Sam and the princess would out to take on their hat Sonia. You do you thinking about working for the defense ministry as hard good moment about the company?
It is Jaguar Ian responsible for logistics planning and risk mitigation activity of your security. However, I like my job. Do you like your job, Nicole?
Yes, absolutely all over of the educational needs of the children.
That sounds very interesting, Nicole. Did they wait call Giles had about a cup of coffee.
I am friend at the car backup at the half minute interject so the house to left in for another moment start you for interview.
No, thank you. I hope to see you again.